The air crackles with tension, a palpable sense of impending violence. As the black cobra prepares to unleash its devastating attack, the image, a snapshot of raw untamed power, freezes this moment in time, allowing us to witness the predator. Each scale, a tiny polished shield, seems to ripple with suppressed energy, hinting at the explosive force about to be unleashed. The cobra's hooded head, raised high above the ground, commands attention, a dark triangular sentinel surveying its domain. Its eyes, cold and calculating, fixate on the unseen prey, their gaze unwavering, their pupils narrowed to slits, focusing all of its predatory might. The forked tongue, a dark slender probe, flicks rhythmically, tasting the air, gathering crucial information about its surroundings, a constant, menacing dance of death.